Hi Tarot Rebels, it's Ethany, and I am finally getting to, got my hot little hands on the Rebel decks. So I've got the Rebel deck, which is Tarot with Attitude, whoop, whoop, and this is so in line with my work, and I have a feeling these are going to play so nicely with my Bad Bitches Tarot. Zero filter, zero equals all fun. So we got this one, and then we have the Rebel deck Couples Edition. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So this, I'm really interested to see how this works, and I'm super excited to see how this goes. So I'm going to, as per normal, I swap cameras and we go through each of them, and I'm going to actually go through both of them. So this might be a little bit of a longer video. Stick with it if you want to see the two decks in play. And yeah, they come in these gorgeous little boxes, little tuck boxes. And let's have a look at some of these cool little racy messages. Now remember, as you can tell from the beginning of this, there's going to be some cussing in this video. So if you're averse to cussing, please click away now. Off you toddle, because it's going to be full of cussing. And I don't censor myself. So just be aware of that if you've got kids around or you're not really into it. But let's swap cameras and go through the Rebel decks. Okay, so now we're going through the Rebel decks. We have the Rebel deck, the original, which we're going to go through first, and then the Couples Edition. And I feel like, as I mentioned before, I feel like these decks are going to speak to my soul. Cussing is about to ensue, by the way. So if you are precious to that sort of thing, please click away now, or if you've got children around, put some headphones on. Its messages are quick, dirty, and direct. We gave the ancient practice of tarot a modern makeover and added a little insult to insight. Yeah, foul mouth and raw. My kind of deck. So it comes in this no unicorn, hot pink, wicked as boxy. You are the shit. Ha! Yes, this is going on my Wall of Fame. It's going on my Wall of Fame. I have a Wall of Fame of lots of the extra cards that I get, the notebooks, also the thank you card things, all that sort of stuff. I keep them on my Wall of Fame. So the stock is lovely. It is very vibrant. I'm staying at 350 GSM. It's a more, whatever that lamination is that makes it glossy, that makes it sort of like, ooh, gonna slip out of your hands. So you get a little card of how to use the deck. What does life want me to know right now? I like that. Haven't had enough, fuck it, pick a few more cards. Even if you get more insightful bullshit about your life, you can't run and you can't hide. Rebel deck sees all. Share the love. Think of someone else and pick a card, you know the drill. So cute. Okay, so is the Rebel deck a tarot or an oracle deck? Well, it's technically an oracle deck with 60 cards. We took liberties with the word tarot for marketing purposes. Fair enough. That's very cute. So, very direct. Oh, chuckle. So on one side of the cards you have stop fucking whining. And then we have a little bit more. No one wants to listen to that shit. Complaining makes you weak. You have the strength to change your world, so do it. So I'm not going to go through all of the back and front. Whatever you are, I will do this side though. Whatever you are thinking about, don't do it. If you're thinking about like eating an entire pie and you got this one, you're like, fuck. Shit is going down with your job. Stop texting, stop stalking, stop checking on that person, just fucking stop. Spend your time on someone worth it, don't waste it on ridiculousness. Yes. You think someone is lying? They are. Oh, this is great. You look like a shit show. That could be what is, you're a hot mess. That could be said for me right now. I didn't sleep last night. Have you eaten? You're acting like a big ass baby. It's not everyone else's fault, it's yours. You need a big fucking hug. Well, that's a sweet one. Squeeze. Ask a fucking expert. Don't rely on your friends or the internet. Listen to a damn professional. I feel like that should be like for a lot of things where people are like, I want something for free. I don't want to pay for it. This one. Put the fucking phone down. You are talented and fucking amazing. Stop sleeping so damn much. What the hell are you waiting for? Get that shit done. You're giving away your power. Take a fucking trip. Go see some shit. Do some new things. Talk to people cooler than you. Great advice. I'm doing that this month. You need a good fucking cry. And we all have those movies. Get an ugly cry on. Let that shit go. Your soul. Thank you. We all have those movies that'll make you cry. I tell you what. You play that song from Dumbo. I'm Waterworks lady. So like, if you ever get this on, find your trigger movie, song, whatever. Laugh. Step away from the crazy making diet for a hot second. Kale and spirulina taste like ass. Eat your fucking vegetables. What if you got those two? You'd be like, oh. Don't talk to anyone. Don't look at anyone. You need some fucking time alone and you know why. You're going through some tough shit. Get some fucking sleep. You are loved. Take a shot. Make better fucking choices. That project, that person, that idea is waiting. Yes, get after that shit. The world has your back. Shame, regret, and guilt, those are just bullshit. Get the fuck outside and move your ass. They broke your heart. Fuck them. Be fucking grateful. Shit could be so much worse. You need some fucking yoga in your life. Ancient shit is cool. And I hope no one is like getting too serious about this. This is meant to be fun with a little bit of like actual message. It's dark and you can't see a fucking thing. Get your head out of your ass pronto. Fucking apologize. Get the fuck out of your head. You are giving too many fucks. Get over yourself. Pull your shit together. Stop obsessing. You are not the fucking center of the universe. I love it. It's like a punchline. You do you. Stop trying to change people. That shit never works. Yes. Drop the fucking ego. Don't believe every shitty thought you have. That is so important. Thoughts can be sneaky, lying bastards. Detox. Money, 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 money. Make it rain. Yes. Stop talking. Lightning bolt. Figure shit out on your own. That's like the magic 8 ball. Try again. Ask again later. You are the best thing to ever happen to you. You got a feeling you can't shake. That little voice inside you, listen to that shit. You're being shady. Every episode of RuPaul's Drag Race. Watch out, shit could get ugly. You equals tight ass. Believe what you see. Fuck, shit is about to get real. Very tower-like. Time to let it go. Some good shit is about to happen. Winning. You got a good thing going. Don't ruin that shit. Don't ruin that shit. Rebel. Love. Don't fucking force it. And fuck fear. That's a good one. It will lie to your face. It will lie to your face. So I did quite a few of the reversals just because I wanted to see what they were. Shuffles really, really nicely. Again, it's a little bit slippery because of the laminate, but that's more than okay. I love how colourful it is. Love how colourful it is. It's speaking to me. Okay, so this is the couples edition. Rebel deck is coming for you, couples. Inspired by the original Rebel deck, the couples edition goes harder and deeper. So let's see what we get in here. You're the shit. Yes. I'm going to give that to somebody who needs reminding. Okay, so the couples edition. Close your eyes. Focus on your love life. Shuffle the deck. Circle side up. So that side. Ask the question, what does life want me, my partner, or us to know right now? And pick the card. So whether you've had a shitty day or enjoying cocktails with friends or trying to spice up your love life, you need the Rebel Deck Couples Edition. Cute. Okay. Same sort of facts from the first one. Okay. Agree to fucking disagree. You see shit differently. That's life with another person. Good times. Spend some time with bae. Your boundaries are trash. Block those bad vibes. It isn't personal. Shit is not always about you. Love the one you're with. This includes you. Oh, that's so sweet. Have sex. Always good advice if you can. Do you really need a card? Do you really need a card for this? That's so great. Deal with your drama. Your friends miss your face. Yes. Stop trying to control every damn thing. Go on a real fucking date. You fucked up. Yeah, it's your fault. Say this out loud. I'm sorry. Open your mouth. That's a bit dirty. Talk. Use big words like validate, acknowledge, and empathize. Sit back and relax. Shut the fuck up. Stars. Fill in the blank. Ooh, it's like Cards Against Humanity. Don't let it all hang out. Leave some shit to the imagination. It's not that serious. You're fucking stressed. Time to talk dollars. One of you is doing too many fucking chores. Pack your bags. Get the hell out of town. It'll make you both lovable again. Bare your fucking soul. You are not being heard. You are giving too many fucks. Unplug. Fuck your job. Yes, work is important, but your partner is more important. Time for anal, ... Analyzing a matter a little deeper. Tantrums are for babies. Cook a fucking meal. Get hot and sweaty. Fucking saying it. Resentment kills the magic. Send a pic. You can't say thank you enough. So true. Whoop. Keep shit clean. You're hot, smart, and have got a great ass. Your person is lucky you remind them. We can't be all the things. Irritated? ? Eat, cuddle, sleep, repeat. Good advice. Time for shit to get real. Forgive. Keep that shit to yourself. Just say these 5 little words. You decide where to eat. Yes. Love can hurt like hell. You think you've got them all figured out. People are messy. They are. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. You're playing with fire. Fuck feelings. You have logic for a reason. Use it. Interrupting is for assholes. It's true. Let them fucking finish. Whoop. Family shit is getting on your nerves. Just walk away. They're still waiting. Do the shit they asked you to do forever ago. Go all in. Watch what you say. Do you really love them? Want shit to be different? Do things differently. Change yourself first. That's also good advice. Listen. Go solo. do the damn dishes and you're on the same team. Play like it. Oh, knocking everything over. These are so cute, and it's like there's good advice there. Good advice there. Just sassy. I feel like these are going to just work so well for my readings. I can't wait to use them in my readings and use these ones in my relationship readings and these ones in just like, if I know my client can handle it. They are super cute. I will put a link as to where you can support these indie decks. They are indie decks. Please do not purchase them anywhere but this site for the creator. They have been found on wish.com. That is a knockoff. Please support indie artists. As an indie creator myself, I know how much when that's your livelihood and your passion project, your art, your thoughts, your blood, sweat and tears, it feels like shit when someone rips you off. So more at the rebeldeck.com. Thank you so much for watching. Had a good chuckle. I hope you enjoyed these. I can't wait to start using them. And again, yeah, thanks for, as always, for watching my little tubes channel. Bye.